Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Motorola Moto G52. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then just open it. After that, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on Motorola and Send on Nokia. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only this one. Just send and tap on got it. Over here on Motorola, just no thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Motorola smartphone, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and connect our smartphones by clicking on receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!